Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart English Official, the channel where English feels easy and natural. I'm your host, James.
And I'm Lima. We're really happy you're listening today.
Lima, you look very calm today.
I feel calm, James. This morning, I spent some time outside.
Oh really? What did you do?
I went for a short walk in a nearby park.
No phone, no music, just fresh air. That sounds perfect.
Today we're talking about spending time in nature and why it's good for your mind and your English.
Before we start, a quick reminder.
If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe to Smart English Official, like this video, and share it with someone who is learning.
Thank you for supporting us. So Lima, how did you feel before your walk?
Honestly, I felt tired. My head was full of thoughts. Work, messages, plans.
I know that feeling. Life moves very fast.
Exactly. But after 10 minutes in the park, I felt lighter.
That's the power of nature. It helps our mental health.
Mental health means how our mind feels, right?
Just like exercise helps the body, nature helps the mind.
James, there's a word people hear a lot these days, mindfulness.
Mindfulness means being in the present moment. Yeah, exactly. When you watch the trees move or listen to birds, that's mindfulness.
And you don't need anything special for it.
Just your eyes, ears, and a little time.
Let's talk about phones.
Yes. Our phones follow us everywhere.
Messages, videos, emails. Our eyes and brains get tired.
That's why nature is perfect for a digital detox.
Digital detox means taking a break from screens.
When you're outside, put your phone in your pocket.
Oh, look at the sky, not the screen.
The sky has better colors than social media.
James, what activities can people do in nature?
Yeah, many things. Let's keep it simple.
Okay, first one.
Walking, the easiest activity.
The easiest activity. No special tools, no money.
Just walk and breathe.
What about hiking?
Hiking is a long walk, usually in the mountains or forest.
You need good shoes.
Yes, and water. Always bring water.
I like picnics more.
Of course you do. Of course you do.
A picnic means sitting on the grass, eating simple food, and relaxing.
That's a great way to enjoy nature. What about biking? Biking is riding a bicycle.
Many parks have bike paths. It's good exercise and fun. Yeah.
And it makes you feel free.
Freedom, that's a beautiful word.
Now, an important question. Can nature help us learn English? Yes, it can.
Yan.
How?
When you're outside, you can describe what you see.
Yeah. For example?
The sky is blue. The tree is tall. I see a dog.
Simple sentences. Very powerful.
You can also bring a notebook and write.
No pressure. Just observe and write.
Nature is also good for conversations.
Yes. Walking side by side feels easier than sitting face to face.
Less pressure.
More natural. Some of the best talks happen during walks.
James, what if someone lives in a big city?
Good question.
Nature doesn't have to be big.
Yeah.
Even a small park helps.
Even one tree helps.
Nature is everywhere if you look closely.
I have a small challenge for our listeners.
Oh, I like challenges.
This week, go outside for 20 minutes.
Go outside for 20 minutes.
Leave your phone in your pocket. Name 5 things you see in English.
Tree, cloud, bird, road, flower.
That's it. Simple and effective.
James, this conversation makes me want to go outside again.
Me too. But first, we finish the podcast.
Thank you so much for listening.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official and leave a comment.
Tell us, what is your favorite outdoor activity?
Write your answer in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
See you next time. Keep learning, keep smiling. Bye.